Vincenzo's Grow Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, computer software trading probability-based trading alert, technical analysis, and company philosophy, as I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube, and in the cryptocurrencies, as that's right, old Vincenzo has brought back truth and most importantly, integrity back into the trading market, right? And as you can see here, we look at the coins and you can see the Bitcoin, as we know exactly where we're at. We're going to just do this from the hour time frame. You can see in this local consolidation pattern that we're in after a huge flush last week. And as you do know, this is a very important week in crypto, as I've dubbed it the most important week in cryptocurrency history. And you can see we started the week off right now very bad as we tanked, right? And now we're trying to hold support on this lower support on this uptrending red line that you can see right there. See that red line right now? It's pretty critical, right? Yeah, it's critical. And as you can see what we got going on, if we zoom in now, you can see we've bounced off of our lower support, our regional lower support at 29,830 and 61 cents. And then we got our major upper resistance at 31,759 and 35 cents. Essentially at the orange ring, and then you got the blue ring as lower resistance trying to act as lower support. And if you're trying to get bullish, you got to get on top of this blue ring and hold it as support and then run up to this orange ring. But the volume, as I noted last night, on a futures market open, you can see this is some of the most putrid volume I've ever seen. Look at that. See it right there? See that little circle that was right there? This is the volume you had come in after a weekend of the futures close. That right there is the volume that you had yesterday. That is some of the worst volume I've ever seen in crypto and Bitcoin specifically come in after a weekend close, after a volatile week. That is what you got for volume. Putrid, pathetic, not good. And this eventually is going to be a bearish continuation pattern, as our target now does not look so fucking obscene at late 2022 target 13,336. Well, it's a 69.69% chance. And then we upped it to a 76.66% chance of happening when the price of Bitcoin was at about $59,000, right? And now we're only, from current price, 31% away from the $20,000 target, and then 56% away from the late season catastrophic flush target. But you can see now, I mean, this almost is telegraphing it for you. We're in a big bearish continuation pattern, which is a bear flag now. And you can see this bear flag started from where you crashed. Right here is your flagpole from your major consolidation, trying to hold support, getting the last few suckers in along the way down from 64,000. See that all up here? The last few suckers being drawn in and then flush, right? And that's what this is. This is a bearish continuation pattern. This is the flagpole. This is the flag. that you're in now, and then you flush, and your targeted move is down here at $21,000, which just so happens to coincide with this bear flag up here. That targeted move out of this bearish continuation pattern that we diagnosed, sniffed out, detected for several months is all the way down there at $20,951, right? And that's what you guys need to be watching out for. And the Bitcoin, as you have major support and resistance zones being tested right now. Same thing in XRP, it's forming the same bearish continuation pattern, and the technical target is 28 cents. But if you're trying to get bullish, as we zoom in to get up to that 60-cent level, you have to get above these areas right here. That is the last line of defense, aka get my shit together zone to the shit house in orange. And 46 cents is what you need to fight and scratch and claw your way to get on top of and hold support along this 46 cents. But unfortunately, what's been going on is when you just pumped up into here the other day, you got violently rejected by this top part of the shit house, right? It smacks you back down and you sold off 20%, right? So that's what you got to get above if you're trying to get bullish. You got to get above this 46 cents last line of defense to the shit house, or you're going to come back down to the 37 cents regional bottom. If we move this price over right here, you see that you're going to come down to the 36, 37 cents. And if you can't hold that as you conveyor belt down to here to the lower part of the last line of defense. If you can't hold that, you're going to come all the way down here to the top part of the shit house that's sitting down here in red at about 28, 27 cents, right? And that's a big fall from the last line of defense to the shit house. That's about a 36.69% industry exclusive measuring tool from the 36-cent level down to that's a 21.09% flush. And that would happen very quick, very fast, and very painful. So we're going to keep you up to date on that. And another thing I need you to realize is all these YouTube shysters, right? Like this guy. How are you going to watch this guy, the biggest opportunity I've ever seen, when if you look back at this shyster's channel, let's just look back what he was saying, I don't know, 5 months ago, the crypto market are about to pump. Really? So hard. The crypto market are more bullish than I think 4 months ago. Is this the end for crypto? Here is my plan for crypto. This chart pattern shows Bitcoin will break bullish 3 months ago. Right? Wrong, wrong, wrong. 1 month ago, the bull run is back. Wrong. If you're scared of Bitcoin, watch this video 1 month ago. The biggest opportunity of a lifetime in history is starting 1 month ago, and then it flushed. But now he has, this is the biggest opportunity I have ever seen 7 hours ago. But 2 months ago, he said this could be the crypto super cycle, the biggest metaverse opportunity in crypto frogland demo, all this bullshit. This is another shyster and a charlatan that you need to watch out for, along with this guy, an even bigger charlatan, right here, and all the rest of them you need to watch out for because they're fleece heisting and shysting you. And what you need to ask yourself, if these charlatans couldn't predict the bear market that is happening right now, how are they going to know what's going on in the future if none of these assholes, charlatan, none of these guys predicted the flush, but now you're going to believe a DIY investing. He couldn't predict the biggest crash in crypto history, and he was ultimate bullish the days and hours before the flush. How are you going to trust this scumbag and charlatan or any of these other scumbags and charlatans like Carl from the Moon? Who's this other asshole? Where is he at? Crypto, another one. How are you gonna believe any of these YouTube
Raw commodities
charlatans?
continue to hold.
How are you gonna believe any of these YouTube charlatans? Not my man that I just played that couldn't predict any of this, right? Look at these guys. Morning, Bitcoin whales would do this. Bitcoin 98% are wrong. Bitcoin, it's a trap. Bitcoin, what the heck is happening? 1 month ago, that was as it was starting to crash. Bitcoin last morning, Bitcoin right now, Bitcoin, this will shock the world. Bitcoin game over. Life-changing Bitcoin video. Bitcoin biggest move ever. All these guys saying all this nonsense, and what happens to Bitcoin? It flushes. But now all of a sudden they're the experts again. No, they're not the experts. They were charlatans. And this is just like Crypto Nick from back in the day with BitConnect. This guy, where is this Crypto Nick at? He deleted all of his shit back in 2017. But this guy, Trevon James on the right, uh, I forgot my man, Trevon James on the right, Crypto Nick on the left, and who is this asshole? Trevon James and I forget his name, but Trevon James left, Craig Grant middle, Trevon James right, Crypto Nick left. These were the original crypto hustlers back in the day before most of the people in this bull run that started don't even know who these three people are, but they were the original B Connect hustlers and the original YouTube charlatans when it comes to the crypto sphere. And now your modern day crypto charlatans are Carl from the Moon, I'm crypto, and all these other assholes. This guy right here, a scumbag. There's Crypto Nick. I'm crypto and Crypto Nick are one and the same because they're both shilling the latest, hottest topic on YouTube, trying to get rich off you. Yes, you, the subscriber, by using their affiliate links, by using their nonsense, and by donating to their shit. They're nothing more than charlatans and part of the criminal gangsters that have infiltrated the United States government, Federal Reserve, and world monetary and fiscal policies that drive this nation, right? They've infiltrated the central banks, the Congress, the House, the Senate, the governors, and the city council and the school board administration. They're all over the place, and you need to watch out for them. It's just like this Kathy Wood charlatan. This guy's a good guy, Garsalaway, right? Charlatan from the Federal Reserve right there. Look at his face of a charlatan. This guy, charlatan. Luna, a dollar. Don't ever listen to this fucking asshole moneymaker. He ain't money making jack shit if he's trying to tell you to buy this nonsense to go to a dollar because it's over. Charlatan, 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 charlatan. All of them big tits, charlatan. Follow Vincenzo, like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Peace.